was up in the valley. I was looking for my Aunt Sally. Oh, she was making a good apricot pie, but you went out looking for sugar with the one good eye. Oh, up in the valley. Oh, up in the valley. Up in the valley. Oh, up in the valley.
They call him Terrence. He is a menace, and I don't know how to feel about Terrence. And Terrence is a man that likes to pick his cheek, and Terrence is a man, and then he likes to pick his butt, and Terrence is a menace, and Terrence is a little bit weird, and it's been a couple of weeks, and I still don't know how to feel about Terrence. I like the Jell-O in my freezer, and I cook the Jell-O for 8 hours, and then I put it back into the fridge for a night, and then I took it out with the fright because I saw that the spaghetti that was from last night fell onto my Jell-O, but I still ate it because I thought it would taste good, and surprisingly it did.